My name is Pete, and welcome to my garage. Alright, next thing we're going to do is install the upper timing cover. So I remember it was a tight squeeze coming out, so it's going to probably be a tight squeeze going back in. There we go. All right. Install the bolts around the perimeter of the timing cover. Blind one way there in the back. Goes fast when you can actually get a swing on the ratchet. Get the balancer on. Luckily it goes on a lot easier than it came off, that's for sure. Power steering belt. I can pretty much see where it was originally. I can pretty much put it back there and tension it up. And snug down the top bolt on the power steering pump. It's got the splash shield that only had two 2mm bolts in it when I took it off. Okay, we're done down here. Time to go back up top. Pretty much all I have left is to put the alternator belt back on, this bracket that goes right there. Okay, got to get the belt on. So we stuck our alternator belt on. Alright, so we just got to tighten up this alternator bolt. It's getting tighter, still not quite there. There we go. And then I just got to tighten up a few of those bolts. Okay, that one's tight. Now I just got to tighten up this 14 right there. Get this wiring harness back over in place. Alright, so the next thing we need to do is put on the engine mount here. The exact opposite as we took it off. Pretty simple. It's really difficult to do with one hand, especially when you're snappering on your impact. It's junk. Sockets keep wanting to fall off. Alright, engine mount's on. This timing belt job is finished. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Pete's Garage. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please hit the like button. If you would like to see more content like this, please hit subscribe and I'll get more content up as soon as I can. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments section. I'll answer them back.